In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review payments on bill.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to make sure your bills and payments are accurate before and after they're sent. Let's start from the main bill.com dashboard. At the top of your screen, you'll see the main menu. To review different types of activity, you can choose invoices, payments, or payments in. Invoices will show you what you're billing customers, payments shows activity related to money leaving your account, and payments in focuses on money coming in. Pick the section that best matches what you want to review. This keeps you from digging through unnecessary information and helps you stay organized. Once you're on the right page, it's time to use the filters. Filters are your best friend when there's a lot of data. Look for options that let you sort by status, date, or customer. For example, you can filter by status to see only paid, pending, or unpaid items. You can narrow down by date to focus on a specific period, like this month or last quarter. You can also filter by customer if you're checking on a particular client's payments. Take a moment to adjust these filters so that the list you're seeing is exactly what you need to review. When you see a specific invoice or payment you want to understand better, click on it to open the details. Here, you'll typically see the payment history, the reference number, the amount, and the current status. Reviewing this page is important for confirming that the right amount was sent or received when it was processed and how it moved through the system. If something doesn't look right, this is often the first place you'll spot it. Next, let's talk about reviewing bills before they're paid. From the main menu, go to the Bills section. Select the bills you want to pay by checking the appropriate boxes. Then click Review and Pay. On this screen, you can adjust important details like the process date or add or edit a memo. This is your chance to make sure the timing, the amount, and any notes are correct before confirming the payment. Take a quick moment to double-check everything, then confirm when you're ready. Finally, to keep track of payments after they've been sent, go to the Payments Out page. Here, you can see tracking information for outgoing payments, such as when they were processed and their current status. There's also an Expiring Payments tab which highlights checks or cards that need attention before they expire. Make it a habit to glance at this tab so no payments fall through the cracks. And that's how you review payments on bill.com, from finding the right transactions to confirming details and monitoring payment status.